Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Weekly Market Outlook with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and Mid Cap Nifty going forward and important levels to watch out for. Nifty on a daily chart opened around 27,677, tested the highs of 22,726. Profit booking or supply kicked in on bounce, and Nifty managed to close below 22,520 zones with a negative bias, negative 1.03% for the day. Nifty on a weekly chart, Nifty has formed a shooting star. Nifty spot major supports now placed at 22,200 followed by 22,000 zones. Below 22,200, index can test levels of 21,980 followed by 21,800 zones, and resistance now shifts to 22,800 and 22,860 zones. Bank Nifty opened around 48,671, attempted highs of 48,882 zones and testing levels of 48,477 to close around 48,564 zones, indicating a fresh supply at higher levels. Bank Nifty has formed a doji candle. On a weekly note, major supports now placed at 48,000 followed by 47,600. Below 47,600, we might see 47,200 followed by 46,800 zones. On the other hand, only above 49,200, the index would see higher levels. Markets continues to be in a range with supply at higher levels. We had clearly mentioned in our previous note and previous updates to avoid leverage positions. Markets to provide opportunity for investing. Corrections and dips are healthy for markets. Dear investors, great opportunity to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specifics to build your long-term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now.